GDI engines deliver increased power, performance and gas mileage, but need a bit more maintenance. If you drive one of these vehicles, this is important. Because of their design, these engines need treatment with CRC GDI Intake Valve Cleaner every 15,000 kilometres. Here's why. In traditional port fuel injection, or PFI engines, fuel washes over the valves, cleaning them in the process. In GDI engines, fuel is injected directly into the cylinder, so it never comes in contact with the valves. Without that constant cleaning action, harmful carbon deposits build up on valves. The result is reduced performance and loss of power. Chunks of carbon can even break off and cause damage to the engine and other components. Some methods of removing carbon involves costly, labour-intensive processes. CRC solves this problem easily and affordably with its GDI Intake Valve Cleaner, which safely dissolves the carbon deposits without requiring engine disassembly. Apply GDI Intake Valve Cleaner with the engine running at operating temperature. The unique perma-straw actuator locks into place, preventing the straw from being drawn into the air intake. Remove the air filter cover and locate the MAF sensor between the airbox and throttle body. Have someone rev the engine to about 2000 RPM and engage or lift the perma-straw dual action spray system and insert past the MAF sensor. It's very important that you do not spray the product in front of the MAF sensor. This could cause the system to throw a code. You may need to disassemble the air intake to spray the product past the MAF sensor, again with the engine running at 2000 RPM. Spray the product into the air intake behind the MAF sensor, spraying continuously in 30-second intervals until the can is empty. If necessary, accelerate slightly during application to avoid stalling, but don't exceed 3,500 RPM. When the can is empty, accelerate the engine 2 to 3 times, but no higher than 3,500 RPM. Run it idle for 1 minute and then turn the engine off. After application, reassemble the air intake system and let the engine heat soak for an hour. Restart the engine and drive at highway speeds for about 10 minutes. Using CRC Intake Valve Cleaner will increase power and torque. It stabilises rough engine idle and solves rough starting problems. It is highly effective for all petrol engines, and regular use will reduce emissions and improve fuel economy.